Good day. Welcome to Teacher Ariel TV. Today, you are going to learn about finding the least common multiple or LCM using listing method. I have here a word problem. Michael baked putu. He intends to pack them in boxes of 4 and 6 pieces. What is the smallest number of pieces of putu he can pack into the boxes? To solve the problem, you need to find the least common multiple or LCM of 4 and 6. So, here's how you do it. We have here 4 and 6. We are going to write the multiple of 4 and 6. First, we are going to write the multiples of 4. 4 times 1 is equal to 4. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. And 4 times 6 is equal to 24. Now, we're going to write the multiples of 6. 6 times 1 is equal to 6. 6 times 2 is equal to 12. 6 times 3 is equal to 18. 6 times 4 is equal to 24. 6 times 5 is equal to 30. And 6 times 6 is equal to 36. Let's see if we have any common multiples. We have 12 and 24. Now, the least common multiple is 12. So, the smallest number of pieces of putu he can pack into the boxes is 12. Another example, 8 and 12. Let us find the least common multiple of 8 and 12. First, we write the multiples of 8. 16, 24, 32, 40, and 48. Next, the multiples of 12. 24, 36, 48, 60, 72. Let's see if we have any common multiples. So we have here 24 and 48. So the least common multiple is 24. Another example, 9 and 15. Let us find the least common multiple of 9 and 15. First, we are going to write the multiples of 9. We have here 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. How about 15? We have here 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, and 90. So, the common multiple is 45. So, the least common multiple is 45. Let's answer this. Find the common multiples and least common multiple of each pair of numbers. Some multiples are already given. Number 1, 2 and 3. So, the common multiples are 6, 12, and 18. So, the least common multiple is 6. Number 2, 5 and 10. The common multiples are 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So, the least common multiple is 10. Number 3, 3 and 9. The common multiples are 9, 18, and 27. So, the least common multiple is 9. Number 4, 5 and 6. The common multiples are 30 and 60. So, the least common multiple is 30. Number 5, 4 and 8. The common multiples are 8, 16, 24, 32, and 40. So, the least common multiple is 8. Quiz time. Let's answer this. Find the least common multiple using the listing method. 8 and 10. You only have 10 seconds to answer. Start now. Time's up. The answer is the least common multiple is 40. Another 4 and 5. Time's up. The answer is the least common multiple is 20. Another 14 and 10. Time's up. The answer is so the least common multiple is 70. Another 18 and 30. Time's up. The answer is so the LCM is 90. Another 10 and 15. Time's up. The answer is So, the least common multiple is 30. That's all for now. I hope you enjoy learning about finding the least common multiple using listing method. Thanks for watching.